I bet you didn't know burping is your body's way of saying, "Excuse me." Let's break it down. When you eat or drink, you swallow air along with your food. This air travels to your stomach and builds up pressure. Your body then releases it through a burp. It's like your body's way of letting off steam. But wait, there's more. Did you know certain foods can make you burp more? Carbonated drinks, beans, and even chewing gum can increase the amount of air you swallow. So, next time you let out a big belch, just remember it's your body's natural pressure release valve working perfectly. And hey, it's totally normal. So burp away, science enthusiasts. Just maybe not during a quiet movie scene. Catch you later.